Next up here, I have the XLF on my hammer scan watch list. It is a red hammer candle. Volume does confirm participants in the trade today, and it did try to retake back one of the important moving averages I have on my chart, the 8 EMA, which is at 23.45. Closed a little bit below it, so it's not overall, it's not an ideal setup. However, I do like the range that it is in. Maybe it was finally getting enough strength to climb up. There have been considerable amount of block trades here in the lower 23, 2320s, 2330 areas. Several million shares. I'm not sure exactly how many. Can't find my notes on that. But anyways, it is still in a fairly bullish setup. The overall chart pattern is a very tight, noticeable head and shoulders pattern. You have shoulder, head, shoulder. Overall measure move down would be from 25 to 23, so essentially all the way down to $21 would be the measure move if it does confirm and break below 23. Now with the market still climbing and moving up, I'm not sure that there's going to be enough strength unless there's some sort of news or world event that does push it down. With that in mind going forward, I'm still going to stay bullish on financials and pretty much the whole market here. Levels I'll be looking for a trade against tomorrow will be, first up, this trend does not necessarily apply here. 5 minute is kind of choppy, so let me go out to a longer time frame. Looks like we had a W bottom here set up in a range, and now another W has formed. So that gives me a little bit better of more of a clearer image. 23.5 to 23.30. So overall, just about a 30-cent range right there. Excuse me, 20-cent range right there. I'll be looking for a move above over 23.51. And I'll keep my stop here. Whoops. Just below the VWAP, as it does price. As price does move up, this VWAP move and 8-period exponential will go up with price. Initial target would have to be around 23.80. That is just the previous high of the range that I had from the other side of the head and shoulders pattern here, although it has broken above it. So any kind of move above all these moving averages, I'm going to be really loose with my actual target and just kind of trail up any position that I do have open. But I will go ahead and put a target on here tentatively for 23.80.